Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani Coder, and in this series of videos, I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So we are back after a long time. So let's start our today's challenge, which is set intersection operation. Let's first see a task. Here, the students of a district college have subscriptions to English and French newspaper. Now, some students have subscribed only to English newspaper and some only to French newspaper. And there are some students who have subscribed to the both newspaper. Now, your task is to find out the total number of students who subscribe to the both newspaper. Okay, now let's see our input format. In the first line, we will have the number of students who have subscribed to the English newspaper. Now, in the second line, we have the roll numbers of those students who subscribe to the English newspaper. In the third line, we have the number of students who subscribe to the French newspaper. And in the fourth line, we have the roll number of the students who have subscribed to the French newspapers. So, in the output format, we have to just print the total number of students who subscribe to both newspapers. Now let's see the sample input. The 9. So in the 9 roll numbers of the students who have subscribed to the English newspaper, and here are the roll number of students who have subscribed to the French newspaper. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 6 and 8 means total 5 students have subscribed to both newspapers. So we have to return the integer 5. So let's code here. Now we are going to first take the English numbers. So in eng is equals to integer input. Now roll numbers is equals to set map integer comma input dot split. Just copy this code and paste out. And we are just going to rename this French. And this also French. Okay, now we have both. Now we are just going to print the length. We need the length of the students. Which students means English roll number dot intersection to intersection to the French roll. Okay. But we have to print this out. Now to just wrap this in the print function. Now let's run our code and see what we get. Our sample test case 0 is successfully run. So let's submit our code. Our all test cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share to your friends and comment down if you have any doubts or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates.